Hi there, welcome to QA Box Let's Test. If you have not already subscribed to this channel, kindly do so, and if you like the video, give them the thumbs up.
Right, so in this video, we are going to see how can we compare non-primitive data types. So if you have not watched part 26, please go and watch it out first because therein I've explained uh, that primitive types are copied by value and non-primitive types are copied by reference. Okay, so here is my unordered object number one. So you could see that it has got three keys A, B, and C, and each has got the respective value. Okay, I have got another object right therein. I've got the same key and value pairs. However, the order is different, right? The object itself is different, and the order of key value pair is also different, but the content is same, right? So if I want to compare these two objects, right, so let's see what is going to happen. Okay, so the first thing that I would like to do is if I say uh, console.log, and we are going to use the comparison operator. So we are going to say triple equal to unordered 2, and let me comment out all the other code because we are going to build this discussion, and let me save that and run it. So the response is of course false. Okay, so now the concept is the trick to compare reference type object is to convert them into string first and then compare that string. Okay, so if I simply convert that, right, what do I require? I require json.stringify. Again, I've created a video on json parse and stringify. So if you have not watched that, please go and watch that out. So what we are going to do is we are going to stringify these objects and then do the comparison. So if we do so, we still get the false back because the order of these keys, right, is different. All right. So now what do I have to do? I have to first bring them into the same order. So for that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to create two constant objects. As you could see, they are blank object at this point of time. So I'm using the object literal syntax. The next thing that I'm going to do is we have already covered this object.keys in for in and for video. So if you have not watched that, please go and watch that out. So I'm going to uncomment this, and we have also covered sort in detail into one of the videos on functions, high array high order functions. So what we are doing here is object.keys, we are passing in the unordered object, and this would return us the array of keys. Then we are sorting those keys, right? And with the help of for each, again I've created a video on for each and map. In for each, we are passing this callback function. Again created a video on callback. So now what we are doing is we are populating the ordered object once these keys are sorted. So unordered one key, we are assigning it to ordered one key. All right, so I've also created a video on member access operator and computed member access operator. So here we are using the computed member access operator concept. Okay, so now we have a sorted and ordered object. We are going to do the same for object 2. Okay, so now we have got ordered 1 and ordered 2 objects created. Let's log them onto the console and see if they are sorted. So you could see that they are sorted, however they are still not same, right? So if we can check this out, we say this triple equal to this. Okay, and of course it has to be 2, and if you run this you still get false back. Okay, so now again remember I explained to compare these two objects, first convert them into a string. So this is how we are going to convert them, and then we are running our comparison. If you run it now, you get true. All right, so this is how you are going to compare two objects into JavaScript. Nice trick, isn't it? All right, so that's about object. So let me comment out all of this and let's move on to compare arrays. So here you could see that I've created two arrays, array 1 and array 2. The content is pretty much same, 1 to 5. However, the order is different. Also, we know that these are primitive data types. They are copied by reference. So since the reference is different, so if you do this array 1 triple equal to, if you have this comparison in between these two, right, what you see is a false. So let me save this, run it, false, right? What is the solution? Obviously you have to first sort them, right? And also it depends if you have got the strings in here, and some are in lowercase, others are in uppercase. So make sure that you also run that two lowercase or two uppercase, and then do the comparison. So what we are doing here is, we have array 1, we are sorting it, then we are converting that into a string, and then we are comparing them, right? In your case you also require to do two lowercase or two uppercase, like I said. Okay, so if we uncomment this now and run this, so what we get back is true. So that's how you are going to compare non-primitive data types into, especially your object and arrays, into JavaScript. Thank you so much. Bye bye.